So let's create your own header graphics. Okay, when you have your own header graphic, you can modify this to suit the type of information product that you're selling. So if you're selling something about dating, you can change it. Maybe use a red one and have some, I don't know, hearts, or maybe put in your photo in there instead of a shield logo. Now I'm going to show you how you can simply just change the shield logo into another logo, and you can change the text of this header graphic and then save it into the header graphic. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open something else here. Okay, so we're going to change the shield logo with this oval logo right now. So as you can see, we have everything in groups. Okay, this is everything inside the group. So you want to do that when you're working with your own logo, especially if it has more than one layers. What you do is click and drag this into the header graphic, the header PSD. Okay, if it turn out to be like that, you want to click and drag it all the way to the top. Okay, and you can also see that we have a group called shield here. Click on the eye so that it becomes invisible, and then click on the oval logo again, and you can move it way to the left like that. Okay, I think that's about right. You may want to move a few things to the left or to the right to make sure that everything fits nicely. So it's this website name and description. You can hold down the shift key to select multiple layers, and I'm going to click and drag this all the way a little bit to the right so that it is still readable. Next, you can just change the name of your website. And you can also change the description of your website. Okay, those are just examples. Now the next thing that we need to do is save this as a PNG, uh, graphic format. Now before we do that, make sure that you make the background invisible. Click on that, and you can see we'll have something like that. Okay, file, save for the web. Okay, make sure you have PNG here and the transparency checked. Okay, now save, overwrite the header.png, replace, and then this, as you can, if you remember this, we have the full wide layout and the sidebar layout. This is the header for the sidebar layout, and we still need to create another header for the full wide layout. So what you do is click on this, and that will kind of like make a layer visible. Okay, and we'll have the header for the full wide layout. Okay, let me do that again. Click on the full wide, and it will become invisible, and you have the sidebar layout. So I'm gonna click on the full wide again. So, and we'll save this again as PNG, transparent, check, and overwrite the header full. Save. Okay, let's see how that looks like. Okay, I did some changes earlier. Now it's kind of like the slanting logo, but let's try the sidebar layout first. Okay, this is kind of like the old header. Let's refresh that. Now here's your new header. Okay, the one with the sidebar. Let's try the full layout, the full wide layout. Here we go. Refresh that. Okay, we have the full wide layout header.